Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Urbanista Paris earbuds with your Android phone. And to do this, you have to simply open this charging case and then remove both earbuds from the case. Now just wait for like 5 seconds until they synchronize and they will be moved to the pairing mode automatically. You don't have to press on any buttons. Now you have to open the Bluetooth settings, then click to pair new device, and from available devices list you have to select your Urbanista Paris Air. Accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video, hope you like it.